In the growing city of Rowlett, homeowners are constantly looking for ways to improve both the look and performance of their properties. One of the most effective and visually rewarding upgrades is modern window installation. Beyond enhancing curb appeal, today's high-quality windows are engineered to deliver superior comfort, energy efficiency, and long-term value, making them an essential investment for any homeowner. If your home still features outdated windows, upgrading to modern designs can completely transform how your living space feels, functions, and performs. Here's how modern window installation can make a noticeable difference in your Rowlett home. Elevating curb appeal with contemporary design. Your home's windows are one of its most visible design features. Outdated or worn windows can make even the most well-maintained property look tired, while modern replacements instantly refresh your home's exterior. Modern window styles, including casement, sliding, picture, and bay windows, offer clean lines and sleek finishes that blend seamlessly with Rowlett's mix of classic and contemporary architecture. Whether you're going for a timeless, elegant look or a minimalist modern style, new windows can complement your vision perfectly. With an array of materials, frame colors, and glass options available, you can customize your installation to fit your personal taste and enhance your home's character. The result? A brighter, more polished exterior that stands out in your neighborhood. Improving energy efficiency for year-round comfort. In Texas, energy efficiency isn't just a luxury, it's a necessity. The combination of hot summers and cooler winter nights means your HVAC system works overtime to maintain a comfortable indoor temperature. Modern windows are designed to make that job much easier. Energy-efficient window installations use features like low-E coatings, double or triple pane glass, and argon gas fills to reduce heat transfer. This means your home stays cooler in the summer and warmer in the winter without putting extra strain on your air conditioning or heating system. For Rowlett homeowners, this translates to lower monthly energy bills, better insulation, and a reduced carbon footprint, all while enjoying a more comfortable living environment throughout the year. Maximizing natural light and expanding views. One of the most immediate benefits of modern window upgrades is the way they invite more natural light into your home. Larger panes and thinner frames maximize visibility while allowing sunlight to brighten every corner. Picture windows, for example, provide unobstructed views of your backyard, garden, or pool area, perfect for homes that embrace indoor-outdoor living. Bay and bow windows create cozy reading nooks that flood your interior with sunshine, while sliding and casement windows enhance airflow and ventilation. With more natural light, your home feels more open, vibrant, and inviting, boosting both aesthetic appeal and emotional well-being. Enhancing security and peace of mind. Modern window installations don't just look great, they're also built with advanced security features that help protect your family and belongings. Reinforced locking mechanisms, laminated glass, and impact-resistant materials provide extra strength and durability. For Rowlett homeowners, especially those in areas prone to strong winds or storms, choosing windows designed to meet Texas building and safety standards ensures long-lasting protection and safety without compromising on style. Increasing home value and long-term savings. Upgrading your windows is more than an aesthetic choice, it's an investment that pays off. Real estate experts consistently note that homes with modern, energy-efficient windows tend to sell faster and at higher prices than those with outdated fixtures. Not only do new windows boost resale value, but they also save money over time by lowering energy costs, reducing maintenance, and extending the life of your home's heating and cooling systems. With professional installation, you can expect your windows to perform efficiently for decades, maintaining their look and functionality with minimal upkeep. Professional installation makes the difference. Even the most advanced windows won't deliver their full benefits without expert installation. Certified installers ensure that your new windows are fitted properly, sealed tightly, and aligned perfectly to prevent leaks and drafts. Local professionals in Rowlett understand the region's weather conditions and building codes, ensuring your installation is both durable and compliant. A flawless installation not only maximizes performance but also preserves your manufacturer warranty and long-term investment. Final thoughts: modern window installation is one of the smartest and most impactful upgrades a Rowlett homeowner can make. With the perfect blend of beauty, energy efficiency, and durability, today's window designs enhance comfort, security, and style in every season. If your current windows show signs of aging, such as condensation, drafts, or fading frames, it's time to explore new options. With the help of local experts, you can transform your Rowlett home into a brighter, more efficient, and visually stunning space you'll enjoy for years to come.